Hey, good morning, everybody. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. So today we have a Heathkit Sb-220 major repair. It needs a lot of stuff. So I always change this electrolytic before I try to fire it up. In case it's shorted, I don't want to damage the winding on the filament transformer. Come to find out, this needs a new filament transformer, needs a new plate transformer. You can see one of the chokes congealed into one, so he had to plate the grid short at some point. This cap over here is all blown apart, so another one over there. Some electrical tape, the wires for the fan. So it needs a band switch. 40 meter contact on one side is damaged. I'm going to do the metering board from Harbach, filter cap board from Harbach, ground the grids. Meters test okay, SO239s check out okay, circuit breakers look okay, but I have to do everything else. So I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Okay, the two transformers have been removed. You can see the inside of the earth deck now. So I'm going to install the replacement transformers. I will be back. See you guys soon. Okay, so you can see the transformers installed over there. I'm going to show you the old band switch. Bad contact. Might be hard to see with it in the amplifier, but you can see that one down there is missing. It's easy for people to miss that, especially if it's on the opposing side. So coil's out. I always take this cap out. The brand new band switch here. So I'm going to go ahead and install that, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Heathkit Sb-220. This thing was a lot of work. I'll go over everything I did real quick. I have more work to do, so make this video quick. So needed a band switch. 40 meter contact was fried on one side, so got a brand new band switch. Metering board from Harbach Electronics, filter cap board, Harbach Electronics, series glitch resistor, new meter lamps. Had to replace the plate and filament transformers. I put stock ones in. Brand new plate blocker, replaced the strap between the plate blocker and the parasitic / plate choke assembly here. I always rewind new parasitic assemblies, so those are brand new. See the new band switch down there. I take this coil out, and that coil and the load tuner, I'm sorry, the load air variable capacitor when I replaced the band switch, so that's soldered real nice. All the connections are tight on the air variable capacitors. The fan's good. So I will go ahead and flip it over, and I'll show you the bottom. See you soon. Okay, so here's the bottom. Grounded the grids really well. Something I missed before, but some of the grid connections were missing the clips. The ones that put tension on them to keep them compressed. So I sacrificed a couple sockets, and I took them off and I put them in the amplifier, so it's all set. So looks good. The SO239s are nice and tight. Touched up on solder joints. Placed the electrolytic over here. Connected all the wiring obviously for the transformer. Zip tied everything real nice. Put some heat shrink over each connection where the wires connect to the switch over here. The CW tune / SSB, soldered them and then heat shrunk them. So that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, please feel free to give me a call. Sorry, I cannot give out technical help. It's a liability issue. So please, if you're calling, I work on the amplifiers that you see me working on recently. No longer working on certain ones like Henry's or Tentex. And some amp supplies. So, give me a call if you have an amp repaired. I'll do the best I can to help you, but when it comes to parts, if I can't get the parts or just too difficult to get the parts, it just doesn't make sense to get involved with it. I'm just so busy with everything else. So, thank you for watching. Website is amprepairguy.com. My phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 73.